Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add camera watermark in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and take a picture. I am going to take this picture. Okay. I take this picture and open the picture that you took and see in the bottom left side or right side or wherever on the picture there is no watermark printed. Okay, if you would like to print a watermark over photo, what you have to do is you have to add watermark. So go to camera again and go to settings icon of camera here, and here select watermark. Just turn on this button watermark and click over watermark, and here you can edit watermark model name. Okay, just click on edit, and here by default it is set to Galaxy S24 Plus. Now write your own name. Okay, here I would like to write my daughter name Mickey Jerolina. Mickey. You can type any name, your name or your business name or your child name or whatever you want. Mickey Jerolina. Okay, click on save, and this Mickey Jerolina, this name will be printed along with your photo. Okay, if you would like to add date and time, click on date here, then click on time, and that will also be printed along with your watermark. Okay, yes, now go back and now take a picture. Okay, I would like to take a picture. I would like to take this picture and click on shutter button. Picture is taken. Now open the picture that you took and see in the bottom left side watermark is printed. Okay, see here Mickey Jerolina and date and time are showing. Okay, so in this way you can easily add a camera watermark in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.